Hey guys, this is me, Jade Marie. This is my Back to School episode 1. Please subscribe and thank you for watching. Bag, lunch, books and textbooks, supplies, always complete them every day. So today is a rainy season or this month. Always wear jacket or bring umbrella every day. Try not eating food with high cholesterol, oil, fat, or too much sugar. This is one of my examples. So this is very delicious, but it's very unhealthy. So just eat only a few pieces or slices. I suggest 2 pieces. So candy is mostly eaten by younger kids like me. Please do not eat too much or cavities will come. Eat healthy food, the right amount every day. Always choose the right one. So my favorite, sushi and salad. And I found this on the internet. I guess it's very healthy and delicious. It's like from a bakery. One of our traditional cooks in different provinces. It's very delicious and healthy. It's seafood. And one of our watermelon shakes. You can choose any shake, carrot shake, any kind of shake from any vegetable. So the more subscribers, the more improvement. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. One of my videos will be added like Adventure Time, not really, and more reality videos.